Now that you have recorded and edited your video, it's time to learn how to share your video with others. Let's start with the blue button that says Copy Shareable Link. If you click this button, it will copy an unlisted link for you that allows anyone with the link to view your video. If you'd like to change the privacy settings, you would simply click on More Options and then change the permissions. So for Amarillo ISD, our permissions look as follows. So the first is public@amaisd.net. So that means that anyone that's signed in on their amaisd.net account can find and view the video. The second option is unlisted at amaisd.net. So if you provide the link to anyone at amaisd.net, then they would be able to view the video. The third option is private, where only you can view your video. The fourth option is public, where anyone on the web can find and view your video. And the last option is unlisted, where anyone on the web who you provide the link to can view your video. So let's think about it. If you want someone within Amarillo ISD to view your video, such as a student or another teacher, then you would most likely want to choose an AISD setting. If you are wanting to share this video outside of AISD, such as maybe to some parents, then you would most likely want to select that last unlisted choice. Okay, I'm going to click out of those more options, and we're going to look at the View on Drive button. So if you click on the View on Drive, the video will pop up in preview mode in your Google Drive. So from this preview mode, you can click on the three dots. You can share the link to people in groups. You can add comments. You can organize within your Google Drive. You can see the video in your Google Drive folder, and you can even download this video if necessary. So I'm going to go back to my Screencastify page, and we're going to take a look at the sharing options. Under the share options, notice that you can share directly to Google Classroom. In the past, we would have recommended this for your classroom. However, since we have switched to Canvas, I want to show you how you can embed a Screencastify video to your Canvas class. You may have to click on More Options to see the option Get Embed Code. You will click on that and copy the embed code. Notice that if you click on the Copy Embed Code button, you should get a notice at the bottom of your screen saying Embed Code Copied to Clipboard. From there, you will go to your Canvas class. You will have to determine where you want your video to appear. Maybe you would like it on your home page, a page within a module, or even embedded into an assignment. For our purposes, I'm going to create a page with this video embedded. Once you are in the Canvas page in which you would like the video to appear, you would click on the three dots and click the cloud. From here, you would paste your embed code that you copied from Screencastify. Once you have pasted the code, you would simply click the Submit button and you will see your video appear in your page. When you are satisfied with the contents of your page, you can click on Save at the bottom so that your page is in draft form within your Canvas course, or you can click on Save and Publish so it is ready for your students to view. So looking at our next sharing option, publishing to YouTube. In order to publish to YouTube, you have to have a YouTube account and a YouTube channel. Within YouTube, you can make a video unlisted as well, which would also allow anyone with the link to be able to view. You could also make your video public so that anyone can search YouTube and find your video. Just be mindful of privacy concerns that come with that. You can also make your video private, so only you can see your video. If you click on More Options within the Share section, then you can see other quick and easy sharing options that Screencastify offers, such as sending your video through Gmail or generating a QR code. If you generate a QR code, you could print it and paste it anywhere in your classroom or school or even a newsletter. A new feature to Screencastify is the app smashing option. If you click on Add More Share Options, then you have the option to turn on the ability to share directly to Edpuzzle, Wakelet, and Remind. If those are programs that you use and would like to integrate with Screencastify, toggle on those switches for those apps and then click the back button in your browser to make those changes take place in your account. Taking a look at the download section, you're going to see several different download options that Screencastify offers. First, you can download your video as an MP4 file. Second, you can export the audio only as an MP3. Or finally, you can export your video as an animated GIF or GIF.